sees great wickedness being done should not keep silent from ill-speaking's tongue. So I wish to say and to make known, a rich man who disinherits his own is worse than any thief alone, and does a devil's work worse than any robber ever has known. And late does he turn and shirk. A rich man, when he goes along the road, he has a companion for his load. Wickedness who goes in front and showed, in the middle and behind and full and blowed. Great covetousness entire in her abode keeps him company, and wrong carries the banner as is owed, and pride is the guide you see. Oh, wicked rich man, when he goes into the square, what do you think he does there? When another man laughs and takes the air, against one he moves a suit, and another he drives to despair. One he curses, another he threatens, I swear, and another he drives mad, and he makes no joy and no embrace to share, as he should and as is glad. A rich man, when he makes his feast to last, and his courts and his drinking repast, from taxes and from fines amassed, he makes his gifts and his amends full fast, and his lights and his offerings he cast, and from robbery and on wars he spends his rents unsurpassed, and on suits at law you see. A wicked rich man, when he would make a feast, hear now how he makes his quest increased. He so beats the folk and pounds their breasts, till no penny to them is left in rest. No need for tempest to come, nor pest, nor famine, nor dying's fee. Then he puts on a most honest face, at least, for one who does not know him, maybe. A little I have said of the tale in jest that I wish to say and sing, but so great a mass remains at best that a very little I have touched of the thing.